Could you imagine a future where lost memories may be restored, where damage from Alzheimer's, strokes, or injuries may be healed not by the human body itself, but by artificial brain implants? A fascinating prospect, isn't it? Welcome to an exploration of the past, present, and future of artificial brain implant technology. This journey begins in the year 2023, where we now stand at the threshold of a revolution led by pioneers like Elon Musk's Neuralink. Their vision? To translate brain signals into digital outputs, allowing us to control devices with mere thoughts. The initial focus of this technology is on medical use, aiming to restore a sense of self and autonomy for individuals grappling with conditions like Parkinson's disease or depression. The global brain implants market, valued at $4.9 billion in 2021, is projected to double by 2030. Yet the promise of this technology extends beyond medical applications. Futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts that artificial intelligence will reach human-level intelligence by 2029 and achieve a singularity by 2045. This could imply the integration of artificial brain implants into our daily lives, augmenting our thought and reasoning capabilities. By 2030, it could become possible to replicate small areas of the brain with artificial brain implants to repair damage and restore lost memories. These devices would replace damaged parts of the brain, predict their functions from moment to moment, and allow the transmission of brain signals where there was once a gap. Through the 2030s and 2040s, these implants are expected to become increasingly effective at replicating complex functions in the brain. We might witness a future where AI and brain implant technology merge to create a world where the lines between the physical and digital blur. As we stand at the precipice of this new era, it becomes crucial to stay informed and engaged with the developments in brain implant technology. The potential benefits are immense, but so are the ethical and societal implications. So as we look to the horizon of the next few decades, remember, it's not just about the technology. It's about how we choose to use it, shape it, and let it shape us. The future of artificial brain implants is a journey, and we're all part of it. Let the adventure begin.